let me see.
What's that?
I think it's a Spider-Man book. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Stop stick. Here, can you remove that? Okay, good. Okay. Open it up. Open it up. Do this. Okay, here. Ano to? Ano to?
Sa receipt. Other one. Ayun no. How ba?
Ano ko na pwede na tayo.
No? Why like that? Why this one? Why this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, so mailbox. Mailbox. Okay. Really?
Mayos lang siya.
Oh my-
Coloring ko lang pala.
Oh my gosh! It's a Spidey book!
Yeah.
Spidey book!
Wow.
Oh, you read that na. Practice ka magbasa.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh!
That's so nice, man. Oh, what you will say to mommy and daddy?
Thank you!
Thank you what?
Thank you guys! Oh my god.
Oh, basa ka na.
So, Spider-Man comic book.
Yeah.
You read na, you read.
So what'd she say?
You should learn how to read that so that you can enjoy.